Today's lesson essential question is, how do we name equal shares in shapes? So we're going to be naming equal shares in shapes. Equal shares are pieces that are the exact same size. We can break shapes up into halves, thirds, and fourths. A shape that has halves has two equal sized pieces. For example, I could do this and make two equal sized pieces. I could also break this square into two equal sized pieces this way. This also shows halves. This is how I would break this rectangle up into halves. You need to be careful because the pieces need to be the same size. So this is not halves. Thirds means three equal sized pieces. It's a little hard to draw it on a circle. Three. We can break squares up into thirds and rectangles. Now keep in mind, this is not equal pieces, so this is not thirds. Then we have fourths, which is four equal sized pieces. I could break a square up into equal sized pieces in a couple different ways. Could do that. I can make halves and then make two more halves to make four. I can make fourths out of a circle. And I can even make fourths out of a rectangle. Now keep in mind, they have to be equal sizes. So this does not show fourths. Now you're going to practice using halves, thirds, and fourths on shapes.